Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to search Facebook Messenger conversations. So let's start. First open the Messenger app. Now to search a conversation, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search by the recipient's name. Now select the conversation. And that's one way you can search on Facebook Messenger. And there's another way. Tap on the recipient's name at the top of the screen. Here you will see another search option, which is Search in Conversation. Tap on that. Now type in a term you want to search in this conversation. And tap Search. And you will see the search results here. And if you tap on the search result, it will show you that specific message. And the term will be highlighted. Now tap on the arrow icon at the top left corner and it will take you back to the search results. Tap Done on top right corner when you are finished. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.